What is up, guys? I hope you're doing well. So today on the channel we are installing a Minn Kota Power Port. Gonna put it somewhere right here. Now if you've never seen one of these guys, basically here is my onboard charger. It's gonna be plugged into the back of here, and all this guy does is, instead of me like having to open up my back hatch every time I want to charge my batteries, all I'm gonna do is get my extension cord, plug it in right here. It just makes life so much easy. So let's get on into this install, and I'm gonna show you guys how to put one of these things in. Alright, so the very first step to this install is take a look and make sure you got a clear path to install this guy. So right back over inside here is where I'm going to install this guy. So there's no wires, there's no hydraulic lines, so I can install it right here. And you want to definitely take some time to look around before you do one of these installs, because you don't want to have any holes in your boat. So the next step is mark us some holes, then drill us a hole. Well guys, as you can tell, I'm already finished. Something happened to the previous GoPro clip. Not exactly sure what happened, but check this out. This is real easy. So what you want to do, 1 7/8" hole saw. Pick you a place where you want it. So we're going to pretend I want it right here. So have the little blades kind of pointing outwards. Next, get a Sharpie. Draw you a perfect circle. 1 7/8" is the diameter of this plug, and it'll slide in there real easy. So once you got your circle drawn, next you want to drill a little pilot hole dead center of that circle. So on my drill, I got a bit with that's a 1/8 inch size. So drill you a hole dead center of that circle. Next, swap bits. So this is the big boy that drills the hole through the aluminum. 1 7/8" hole saw is what you want. So in that little pilot hole you had right here, bust this guy on through it. You'll come out with a nice piece of aluminum. Get you some sandpaper, kind of rub it in the back, clean it out, and there's really only two other things. So on this plug, you got to take the top part of it off, put your extension cord in that goes to your Minn Kota charger, and just screw it down. It bolts totally easy. Then the last thing is slide it in there, and with this Sharpie, just mark you 3 little dots. Pull it out, drill your pilot holes, and all you got to do is screw them back in. This is a 1/8 inch size screw, so that's the bit you want to use on these screws, is 1/8 inch. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I apologize about losing some of the good footage. I don't know what happened, but hey, that's technology. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Y'all keep God first in your life, and we'll see you in another video.